The amount of energy a wind turbine produces can vary depending on several factors, including the size of the turbine, the wind speed at the location, and the efficiency of the turbine. Generally, wind turbines are rated based on their maximum output or capacity. Wind turbines are typically rated in kilowatts (kW) or megawatts (MW). A small residential wind turbine may have a capacity of a few kilowatts, while large utility-scale turbines can have capacities ranging from several hundred kilowatts to several megawatts. To estimate the amount of energy a wind turbine can produce over time, it is common to use a measure called kilowatt-hours (kWh). 1 kilowatt-hour is equal to the amount of energy generated by a 1 kilowatt turbine operating for 1 hour. The actual energy production of a wind turbine will depend on the wind resource at the specific location. Wind speed is a crucial factor because the power output of a wind turbine is proportional to the cube of the wind speed. In areas with higher average wind speed, wind turbines can generate more energy. As an example, a 1 megawatt wind turbine operating at its maximum capacity and with a high capacity factor, a measure of how often the turbine operates at full capacity, may generate around 2 to 3 million kilowatt hours of electricity per year. This is enough to power several hundred households, depending on their energy consumption. It's worth noting that wind turbines do not operate at their maximum capacity all the time. The actual energy production will depend on the wind conditions and the turbine's efficiency. Additionally, wind turbines require specific wind speeds to start generating electricity, known as the cut-in speed, and they have a maximum wind speed, known as the cut-out speed, at which they shut down for safety reasons. Overall, wind turbines have the potential to produce significant amounts of clean energy, but the actual energy output will vary depending on various factors.